So we're gonna film this kind of cool looking building. So that's a really beautiful facade. So we're just gonna basically walk probably around it in a circle. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, we're gonna be going down this in a minute. Just to give you some context, this is kind of the stuff that we're at. We're at this kind of cool black and white tiled. Font 16 is right there. That's a cool building as well. And then this goes all the way down to what's it called? Grand Lisboa. But this is going to be our focus, this green and white building right here. So let's go check it out. So this is kind of check out the detail. So, nice yeah, hey, how you doing?
Good.
Okay, so we're gonna just check this out because this is a really beautiful building. So you can see this balcony right here. There's like a balcony there and a balcony up there as well. So we're gonna walk around the periphery part. I think now it's a casino. So it's a kind of a small casino. I don't know what it was like historically. It looks like maybe a hotel with hotel rooms maybe. But if you go inside, it's like basically one big building with a casino floor in it. I can't bring the camera in, of course, but I can film on the outside. But yeah, I do wonder what it was like in the past. But basically like, oh, that window looks like it's open. When you go in, it kind of feels like it's like nighttime all the time. Because it's completely closed off. So these lights that are illuminating, I'm not really sure why that is, because I can see kind of a yellow glow. Like I think that they just do it as a facade because it makes it more interesting and inviting, right? So I think it's just like that. This is the East West Hotel, so this has a lot of historical value to it. We're gonna walk down that street in a minute and go check that out as well. But yeah, this hotel is called East Asia Hotel. Then we're gonna come back around. So yeah, like this illuminating light is basically like all false. Actually, you can see the light right there. So there's a light that kind of makes it attractive from the outside, right? And it makes you want to go in. But when you go in, it's like super dark. Yeah, I wish I could show you exactly. Yeah, the balconies are amazing. Okay, so let's go back out to the front. Then we'll go back and we'll show it from the front again. Also looks pretty cool too. So, okay. So we got this kind of cool stuff right here. Then we're gonna end it right there. So that's the end of this kind of cool building. Right there. Okay, so we'll end it right there.